Good morning. For math class today, you're going to need your math journals, your Origo book, and a pencil. Welcome to Miss Reynolds' first grade math class. Today's learning objective will be, you will be representing quantities of numbers 1 through 10. Look at these dots. What should you write for the number of dots that you see? I'm going to give you a couple of seconds to write that down in your journal. If you said 6 dots, you are correct. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Look at this group of triangles. How many triangles do you see? Count them. If you said 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, write again. Now, if I were to ask you, how many triangles would you show for this number? How many would you show? And how do you know? If you told me the number 2, you are correct. And if you drew 2 triangles, you are correct. Very good. Now, I need for you to write this word in red that you see, represent, R-E-P-R-E-S-E-N-T, in your math journals. I'm going to give you a few seconds to tell me, what do you think the word represent means? Okay, the word represent. I asked you to write that word in your journal. Let's see what we think represent means. And you can write this in your journal as well. Represent means to create, to draw, to make, to show, or to illustrate. Those words all mean to represent. Once again, represent means to create, to draw, to make, to show, or to illustrate. Now, I want you to look at this page right here. Once again, we're representing quantities 1 to 6. Now, my question is, what do you know about these groups that you see? Look at these groups of bats. How many bats do you see in this group? I'm going to give you a couple of seconds to count. If you said 5, you are correct. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now look at these footballs right here. This group of footballs. How many footballs do you see in this group? I'll give you a couple of seconds. If you said 4, you are correct. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, look at the skateboards and the tennis rackets. How many groups do you see here, and how many tennis rackets do you see in this group? Give you a couple of seconds. Well, if you said 2, 1, 2, you are correct. And if you said 2 here, you are also correct. Now, I didn't really do this one, but how many groups of football helmets do you see? Let's count. 1, 2, 3. Now, we're going to do this together. Representing numbers using pictures. Remember, the word representing means to draw, to create, to make, or illustrate. So I want you to count these squares and write the answer in your journal. I'm going to give you a couple of seconds to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 squares. What about these circles? How many circles are we representing here? Give you a couple of seconds to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 circles that we are representing. Ooh, look at these triangles. How many triangles are we representing here? Couple of seconds. If you said 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, you are correct. Oh, wow. Now look here. How many groups of triangles am I representing here? I'll give you a couple of seconds. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. If you said 9, you are correct. Now, our smiley faces. How many smiley faces am I representing here? Well, if you said 3, you are correct. 1, 2, 3. Now, this is the part where you do on your own, your independent work. You need to turn to page 8 and 9 in your Orgo book. So I'm going to give you a couple of seconds to get your Orgo books out. You don't need crayons where it says crayons color the objects blue. A couple more seconds. Get your books out. Turn to page 8 and 9 in your Orgo book. On the step up here, A and B, it says color each object blue. You don't have to cut. If you don't have any crayons, that's fine. If you do, that's fine as well. But I want you to use your pencils to color each object. Right here, you are to color 3 footballs. In part B, you are to color 4 shoes. I need you to do part A and B, C, D, E, and F on your own. Then I want you to listen to this counting song when you are done. Remember, what does represent means? Because I will probably be asking you that when I see you. Bye. See you in class.